7.5, Part 2, Condensing. Alright, I only have 4 problems because if you can do expanding, I feel like condensing is pretty easy. You just take those properties. I'm just going to flip back so I don't have to rewrite. So, hold on. That. So if you need to write those down, like if you didn't watch the other video, those are your properties. Okay. Using the same properties. So you look here, you have addition, which goes along with the product property. So if we're going the other direction, addition goes backwards to multiplication. So I'm just going to have a single log, and I multiply the 5 and the 4 to get 20. And that is all you do. Log 20. This is from the quotient property. Subtraction goes backwards to division. So you have a single log, and you divide. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay, I know you're thinking, boy, those are so easy. Let's give me a challenge. So let's look. Here's one that's a little bit crazier. If you look at the power property, you will see that a coefficient would go backwards and become an exponent. So I have 2 of those happening here, and so all I'm going to do, I'm going to do this in 2 steps. So this is going to become 2 to the 3rd, and this will become x to the 4th. So I just made those exponents. Well, 2 to the 3rd is 8. Addition goes backwards to multiplication. So you get a single log, and if you multiply 8 times x to the 4th, that's just 8x to the 4th. Voila. Okay, last one. First I have the power, so I'm going to make this log x to the 1/2 minus the log of w. But if you go back, oh man, 7 point, probably 4, I don't remember, 7.4 we'll say, maybe 3. The 1/2 is the same as having the square root, so I'm going to write this as log square root of x minus log w. Now minus goes backwards to division. So this is the log. You have just one log, and you get the square root of x over w. Now be careful that you don't write the log of the square root of x over w. You see how this is where they're both inside of that? That's not right. It's just the x that's in the square root, and the w is on its own down there.